Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Grammy Award winner Sharon Marley teams up with Big Youth for a new single, Stepper. The singer told E Prime that the song set to appear on her debut album was co-written by her son and blends reggae vibes with a soothing love frequency.
I'm doing an album, right? So I sent my brother Steve a couple of the tracks I've already done, and I said to him, okay, which one of these tracks you think should be my next single? A couple days he came back to me and said, all of them beautiful and nice and sweet and gorgeous, but Stepper. All right, Stepper. So all right, guess what? I need a toaster on it. I need that old school vibe on it.
When asked about the feature with Big Youth, she says he was the best fit.
Big Youth is somebody we know from we were children. When I asked Big Youth and he saw Steve after that, him tell Steve, said, boy, Cher want me sing a song with her, but you can't sing love song with Cher. Him said, I know exactly what I'm going to say to you now. So let's do it.
To get your love back, what was this love like? Oh, I need my stepper right now.
She added that as an artist, her vibrant, diverse style reflects the liveliness of reggae culture, smoothly weaving into the visual and oral tapestry while reflecting Jamaican fashion's global inspirations. Paramount Pictures teams up with local filmmakers. UWI Mona was delighted Tuesday afternoon when Paramount Pictures had an educational conversation with the students and faculty surrounding the in-depth structure of the Bob Marley biopic. While in attendance, E-Prime met with the Executive Vice President of Paramount and discussed the importance of having Jamaican characters play the roles.
We were going to need authentic Jamaicans for the patois. Like, there's just no other place in the world that sounds like this. So we knew we had to come here, especially for the younger kids and the playing the young Bob and then his children. We knew we needed authentic Jamaican kids, so it was imperative that we come here.
Managing director and line producer on One Love, Natalie Thompson, also encouraged local filmmakers that once the opportunity presents itself, one should take it.
It's so much easier now for you than it was for me. When I started, there was no phone that could make film. Get up, make film, show that you're creative.
As the band rocks Carnival Thursday with Ritz. No Savannah Grass, but UWI Mona Bowl came alive Thursday evening as soca lovers chipped across the venue all evening to some of their favorite soca songs, while Campari was on board to fuel the energy. Mayhem broke loose when the Take Back singer took the stage, delivering some of the band's greatest hits. Now, E-Prime spoke with Kez, who stated that he is grateful for the continuous support.
Jamaica does bring a special kind of vibes too. And the carnival, bigger and bigger and bigger. So I just had a great time.
Carnival Week continues this weekend with a host of events leading up to the highly anticipated Road March this Sunday, which will see the second staging of Campari Boulevard in New Kingston.
We are ready and gearing to go for Campari Boulevard. This year we're definitely making it bigger, recognizing the potential from last year. So we've moved it to Trafalgar Road on by S Foods, and we'll actually be doing a crossing this year versus previous years.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran Gordon. See you on the road. Be safe.